Hello, so this is my Kukirin G2 Max. I have posted already a couple of videos, and this time I had a flat tire. So I just had a flat tire, and I will try to make a series of videos on how to replace the tire, or at least fix the flat tire. Let's see. At a first glance, I've placed the Kukirin upside down so I can take a better look. And from this side we have the brake, and I already been inspecting, and I think on this side we will not have any kind of trouble to remove the wheel. We just have to loosen this bolt. But from the other side, it's where the power and it's where the wiring is connected to the motor. So we'll have to take some care. You have to be careful with this cabling, and I don't think it will be that easy to remove the cable, to disconnect it. So I believe the tire has to be fixed with this cable still connected to the motor. We have this little piece that it's just holding the cable. I will have to remove this piece, and also this little piece, and I think that after that the tire will just be free, and we have to be able to remove. To disassemble the tire, I believe that's done on this side. We'll have to remove all these bolts in order to replace and fix the tire. But first things first, and the first step is to take the wheel off the structure, and we have to be careful with the cabling. So let's see how this goes, and I'll post the next video. Bye bye.